this is Isabel Matthews, and I'm going to be doing a room tour. So yeah, first starting with her bed. Here's her TV, her door poster, boots. There's Lisa as a lizard, the blue bird, the fish, and another blue bird. Here's her Rosie's room, and here's her dog. Here's her sitting on the bed. Wait a second. And here's her slide to get her V system. And that's all her toys in there. And I can't name them all. I'll just name one of them, her DSi. It is blue, and if you want it to be red, you have to make some kind of charger, which I'll show you in my other video. Here's her phone to call her friends. And here's her Wii system. It's very cute. Here's her Mario Kart 7. So I just stick it in there. You make it out of wood or a back of a notebook. Like I did it to my DS. I made it out of back of a notebook though. Use her Wii control. Yeah. And here's her globe from Burger King. SpongeBob in the box. I think so, yeah. And here's the clear marker. Here's her science thing. And here's her princess thing. She likes princess and she likes dwarves. Here's Cinderella, but her head came off. And here's Cinderella and Snow White. Okay, so yeah, slide. There's the screen TV. Like, shows her thing, and she can download things like that. Now we're gonna be. Oh, and that's her little chair. No, and that's her little kit. This is her little kit. You can see. And I got the little kit here. I'm going to show you the bathroom. Her bathroom sink is the thing. Right now. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. Please comment below. Okay. Yeah, that's all I want to show you. Bye.